Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add AliExpress products to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid store right here at ecwid.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to get started with logging into your account. So if you're not already, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, just create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with importing products from AliExpress into your Ecwid store. What we're looking for, guys, is right here on the left side screen. And the left side screen, you can find the apps section. So you have your app section right here, where you can open up the app market. So by opening up the app market, this is going to open up this market where we can find all the applications we can get started using for our Ecwid store. And in the upper left corner, you're going to have a search bar. So what you want to do, guys, in that search bar is to search for AliExpress. After searching for AliExpress, it's going to give us a result of all the AliExpress related applications. And this is the one we want to use, guys, called the DSers, guys. This is going to enable us for AliExpress dropshipping. So we will be able to add products from AliExpress directly into our Ecwid store using this application. So what you want to do is to upgrade your plan that supports applications, and after doing so, just install the application that you'll be able to find later on right here in your My App section, and from there you'll be able to enter the DSS application and start importing products, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.